Hey, Mad Money fans, check the bottom of your screen for an exclusive offer. Next.
It is time. It's over the light round. Chris, one of the play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with Dave in California. Dave.
Booyah, Jimmy Cramer. Thanks for everything you do for us home gamers.
Thank you, Dave. Appreciate that. What's up?
Solid Q2 earnings report beating estimates. Great future earnings growth outlook. Hefty backlog. New $150 million stock buyback program. And the $65 billion Infrastructure Investment Act allocated to broadband expansion. What are your thoughts on dot-com industry?
Dot-com industries, you know what? Everything you said is true, but they also have a lot of telecom exposure. And anything telecom related, like you look at a Crown Castle or ATM, you can't. I don't want to be levered to telco spend, and that's got a problem there. Let's go to Nick in Connecticut. Nick.
Nick, I'm all right. Jim, how are you?
I am good. How about you?
Good. I wanted to thank you for your past education and good humor.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
And I wanted to ask you about a stock. I know you like Nucor.
Right, I sure do.
I did some research on the company that I like what I see in terms of profit and their diverse end markets that they sell to. And the name of the company that I'd like to get your opinion on is Carpenter Technology.
Oh, Cartech. This is a very, very good company. Philadelphia area company. Now, the stock has had quite a run. I don't know if I just want to come in and buy it, but you got a winner there. I have liked that company for many, many years. Let's go to Brett in Texas. Brett.
Hey, big booyah, Jim. How you doing today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Doing all right. I don't know how you do it every morning. You know, starting with Squawk and ending with Mad Money. But
long days, but I like what I do. Thank you, though.
Hey, send a big booyah to Faber and Carl for me.
Love them.
All right. Calling about GLNG. Should I throw the dice with Guller LNG?
Well, I hate the dice roll there. I think you should just go, honestly, if you're going to be in LNG, just go to Coterra, okay? Just go to CTRA. I know that this is a different kind of play, but I just like the fact that you got $1 finding cost for a $2.70 product that you sell. I think that's all. I'll do that all day. Let's go to Rip in Colorado. Rip.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call. I'm a first-time caller.
Excellent.
I've got this chip equipment stock, Air Test Systems.
Very interesting testing company, a little bit like Agilent. Actually, somewhat like what Emerson just bought. And Emerson's been a long time since I recommend that because I'm not that they went to a hostile, but I'd rather see you in Emerson, as a matter of fact. I think it's a better situation. Not totally analogous, but I like it. Let's go to Mary in Idaho, please. Mary.
Good Friday Eve from Idaho, Jim.
Yes.
I want to say thank you for all the great advice you give.
Oh, thank you.
You're most welcome. I'm wondering, with the market being so crazy this week, at what percentage in loss of value with the stock should one perhaps consider selling? Specifically, I'm looking at SoFi, and I just, with the way it's had an almost 10% slide, I just was curious what you feel.
Okay, well, we recently spoke to Anthony Noto. He's the CEO. I mean, what happened here is the stock was at 4, and then it basically tripled, almost tripled, and then it's come back. It's got a lot of profit taking. People worried about the student loans. That's really not what this company does. It's got a great membership. I think, if anything, I'm a buyer, not a seller. SoFi. Chuck in California, please. Chuck.
Cramer, the Ski Daddy.
What's up?
Coming at you from heavenly South Lake Tahoe. Well, Jim,
nice.
I am at the lake, and I was thinking about doing a little bottoms fishing. Tell me, am I crazy, or is it okay to do a little nibbling on Harmonix, which hit its 52-week low today?
It's in telco and wireless, and that is just not where you can be. It's such a shame that we've just I've kind of written off a whole industry, but I have to be careful. That industry is not doing well, and it doesn't matter. That is just a bad neighborhood. I don't care if it's a better house. It's a bad neighborhood. Let's go to Perot's in California. Perot's.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Thank you.
Really appreciate all you do, as always. Got my Niners playing tonight, so excited about the game against the Giants. But
well, wish you best of luck. Absolutely.
Here. They have an ROE of 22%. They have no debt on the balance sheet, and they have annualized sales growth over the last 5 years of 11%. Just wanted to get your thoughts on WSO, WSO.
Very, very good company. It's HVAC. I like Trane. I got to tell you, when you look at HVAC, it doesn't really matter. You can look at Carrier, you can look at Trane, you look at WSO. Those are all very good stocks. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
Coming up, CNBC Investing Club members had first crack at Cramer with their questions this morning. But we won't leave you hanging. Your hottest queries answered next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.